If you are using this Huawei router and want to change your Wi-Fi password in your mobile, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Also, this will be a short, easy, and to-the-point tutorial, so just remember the channel name HUAWEI and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Chrome browser, or any one you have. Then type 192.168.100.1 in the search bar, and press Enter, and you will head to this login page. Type Telecom Admin in the account section, and type Admin Telecom in the password section. One thing, you will make sure that you will use all small letters, and press on Login. In the Babyalan section, tap on Baulan Basic Configuration. Here next to the WPA pre-shared key, you will type your new password and will press on Apply, and your Wi-Fi password will be changed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.